Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make this flower using the zigzag stitch. So in my previous video, I mentioned that Jack asked me to make this video, and he kind of researched about it, and he heard from somebody that it was called Jack's knot. So he told me about it, so I went ahead and did it. But Gloria, somebody that left a comment on my video, mentioned that that wasn't Jack's knot. That it was actually called Victoria knot, and actually Jack sent me this. It's Victorian set knot stitch rick rack or zigzag. So I went ahead and I named it zigzag. So I apologize for the confusion. Also, in this place right here, it says that it's 4 first half. I only did 2. So you can do 4 or you can do 2, I guess. I'm gonna do 2 because that's how I created this flower, and I think it works out good. Okay, so whatever you want to name it, it's right here, okay? So we're gonna start with our needle, and I apologize if you hear screaming or yelling, as my kids are home. We still home, we can't go to work. So if you hear any screaming or yelling, that's my kids. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 first half and 2 second halves, and I'm gonna count that as 1. So I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do 2 first halves and 2 second halves, and I'm gonna count that as 1, and we actually need 5. So we're gonna go 2 and 2 second half, that's 2. 3. Oh, you know what? I have my setting on picture. Let me change it to camera. I'm sorry. Okay, so I did 2 first halves and then 1 second half, and then I'm gonna do that last. Sorry, my camera turned off. I think my video was too high def, so it kind of I don't know why it turned off. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's our picos, there's our stitches. So just go ahead and finish up the chain. I really like this stitch. It's really pretty. I love the way it, it zigzags, I guess. You can say that, right? Because it's called zigzag. I just love the way it is. Very pretty. Okay, so reverse your work. And we're going to do the next ring. And it's the same thing. We got to do 5 sets. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're gonna join to the picot, and I made the picot kind of big, but it's okay. Our circle in the middle will be just a little bit bigger, but it's fine. So we're gonna join to the picot, just like a regular picot, just like a regular join, just like that. And then we're gonna continue. We're gonna do another 5 sets of the zigzag stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what we have. Just like you're doing a regular flower by using that zigzag stitch. Okay, so go ahead and close your ring. And I'm gonna be doing one more chain with you. Okay, and after that you can go and finish your flower on your own, and I'll come back when I'm almost done with mine. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rings and 5 chains. This is very basic flowers, so I'm sure you'll be able to do it just fine. So let's do 5 stitches. That's 3, 4, 5, and then we need the 3 picots. So regular picot, regular double stitch, a little bit bigger of a picot, double stitch. Oh my goodness, my camera keeps going to the side, huh? I think it's kind of loose. I apologize for that. Okay, so second picot. For our third one, though, it's a smaller one, we'll do our zigzag stitch. So 2 first halves, and then 2 second halves, which counts as as 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is it's a little bit tricky to keep track of it. So let's finish up the chain. Pull your needle through, and there we go. And reverse your work. Okay. And now you're gonna continue, and then I'll meet you right now, okay, after we're done. Okay, so I just finished the stitches of the last chain, and now I'm gonna just finish it, and then reverse my work. And I'm gonna not join, but I'm gonna put my needle right on top of my first ring, and top of my first ring, kind of where the first chain starts and where my ring connects to it. So I'm just gonna put my needle through there. Like that. And then I'm gonna make a little knot. Well, actually a couple, because it's the last part. And there is our flower. Okay, so at this point you just cut your thread, weave it in, and there you have it. So this is a flower made with a zigzag stitch, or whatever you want to call it. So let me know what you think. Feel free to leave me a comment. I have free time right now, so I'll be able to put up a video every Wednesday. So if you want me to do a video about something that I haven't done, just send me a message, leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and happy tatting.